In this video, I'm going to show you how to move YouTube TV channels in the guide to customize your viewing experience. Rearranging channels makes it easier to prioritize your favorites and streamline navigation. To move channels, open the YouTube TV app or website and go to the Guide section, where all your channels are listed. Hover over the channel you want to move, then click and hold the three-line icon or drag handle next to its name. Drag the channel up or down to your desired position in the list. This way, you can group frequently watched channels at the top for quick access. If there are channels you don't watch, you can hide them by clicking the three-dot menu next to the channel name and selecting Hide Channel. This helps declutter your guide. Note that these changes only apply to your profile, so other users in your household won't be affected. Customizing your channel order ensures the YouTube TV guide works best for your preferences. And that's all there is to it. If this video helped you learn how to move YouTube TV channels, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching.